my favorite teachers in DepEd, maayong buntag, to all our community ALS implementers, to our parents, to our friends, guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. As I was saying, there is always an alternative way. If I slept on my contact lenses, I can always wear my eyeglasses. If I did not bring my black shoes, I can always wear my rubber shoes. There is always another way. And that's what makes it alternative. According to the Webster Dictionary, alternative is defined as other than usual. Kung ang usual na ito nga mga process is ingon ani, there is always another way. And that is alternative. And that brings me today the alternative learning system. Sir, kinsa di ay may sa ALS? No? Unsay difference namo sa mga nag-graduate sa elementary school? Unsay difference namo sa mga nag-graduate sa junior high school? The answer is, there is no difference. Except, we are only taking the alternative way. If in the formal school, our learners, our students, they will report to school 8 to 5 every day, Monday to Friday, in a school with teachers already inside the school, yours is different. Lahit ang inyong siguro, mag-meet lang mo sa inyong mga ALS teachers once or twice a week. Nagsabot lang mo at hindi yung mga area mag-meet. Diba? Naalam mo yung mga learning activity sheets na ipang-ansiran. Ayaw na nato i-discuss. Pwede nyo tawagan yung ALS teachers sa gabi. Lahit yun siya. It's an alternative from the formal school system. But is there a difference? No. The diploma is the same, signed by the superintendent. So please do not think that you are lesser than our graduates from the formal school because you are all the same. Lahit lang na pamahagi, alternative lang. Pero look at your graduation now. Asa inyong venue? Kasosyal ba kaayo na sa ginatawag na the orchard. And I believe this is the first DepEd event held here in the orchard. Diba? Ano ang feeling? As I was looking at you marching here on stage, I also saw your pictures on the LED screen. Sosyal man, maraming artista. Diba? Palakpakan na ito mga kagalingon, diba? Eh kung hindi sa ALS, hindi ka may artista. Anak na, no? There is always an alternative way. I attended so many ALS graduations already. I went to graduations inside the jail, the BJMP. I also attended graduations inside the rehabilitation center. I also attended a graduation inside military camp. Naka-appeal po kong ALS graduation inside Xavier University, hotels, and venue like this one. In the entire country, nagkalain-laing yun ang atong representation sa alternative learning system. That's why, dili gid mawala na gyud sa akong system, sa ako ang personal value system, ang alternative learning system. Last year, 2024, I did a very painful decision, and that was leaving the ALS. I got an offer, na-offeran ko, no? With a very promising salary, but ako deny, becoming the Vice President of the City College of Cagayan de Oro. At that time, I was already the Regional Education Program Supervisor of ALS. And being in ALS, naghanagit kayo yung dabuhan. In fact, Region 10 was labeled as the model region in the country. Kita may nagsugod sa ALS Senior High School, kita man sa Region 10. Kita may nagsugod ng learning activity sheets, kita man sa Region 10. So daghan kita og nabuhat sa alternative learning system. That's why last year, it was really a painful decision for me to leave ALS. Pero, little did I know that the universe has bigger plans for me. Now that I'm already working in the college, my influence now is on the teachers. Diba? Kung before, ang akong influence kay mga learners like you, karon nga naanak sa college, akong influence ang mga teachers. Last week, I had the chance, I had the privilege to join the big minds of the country. This is the Teacher Education Council, the Research Institute for Teaching Quality, Philippine Normal University, and University of the Philippines. Unsa among topic? How to make an education curriculum worth 3 years only. That was the topic. Kailangan mo i-push karon na tanan courses sa college imo na og 3 years. So that was also the topic, how to make education degree 3 years. Ako, kaya na-invite naman yun ko dito, kaya naan naman yun ko dito, and I feel I have a voice being there, I told everyone, why not make ALS a minor course in education degree? If not over bachelor in ALS, why can we not have ALS as a separate subject under education courses? I tell you, kanay yung mga ALS teachers, di naman na sila ready mahimong ALS teacher.
Na may ALS sa tiyo.
Dili. Wala na sila na-train mahimong ALS teacher. Ang training na mo sa education is classroom, 8 subjects inside the school. Wala mi na-train maato og community, wala mi na-train mag-mapping, wala mi na-train ma-handle of adult learners. That's why, last week, while I was already in a very good venue, I proposed, let's offer minor in ALS. And I tell you, it was accepted. So, for the years to come, there will already be a minor in alternative learning system. O para sa ako, Lord, grabe din mag-crush sa imong gihatag sa ako. Kung wala ko na-expose ko sa DepEd sa ALS, I will not be talking about ALS in that venue. So therefore, tanang butang, i-plaster gidi ay ni Lord para sa ako. Balik ko sa inyo. Kamu, naasag mo'y purpose na nung naan na mo din. For our elementary graduates to become junior high school learners next school year. Kamo mga ALS nato nga mga junior high school completers, agad mo og senior high school, pwede mo sa ALS, pwede mo sa regular formal na senior high school. What I'm saying is, do not stop learning. Naagaling may graduate sa hinguog nga 70 years old na elementary. Kung imong pangutan ko, nga nung graduate pa man yun ang 70 years old sa elementary. Nakamo, mga bata pa kayo mo. So you have no reason to stop learning. Padayon lang kita o pag-eskwela. Sir, mahal mo kayo mo eskwela. Karon nga panahon, daghan na kaayo libre. Tinuod na. Sir, di ko mag-college, mag-training lang ko sa TESDA. Daghan kay scholarship ang TESDA. Tinuod yun ni. Kami sa City College, kami pa ang galusip ng pangka-learners. No? Sir, sa college, mahal magyapong kaayo. Almost free na din ang college karon. Kami sa City College, kami pagkapangita og mga estudyante. Karon sa Iligan, you have already the Iligan Polytechnic State College, which is for free for everyone. So the opportunity is already here. Grab it while you can. No? Let's not waste the opportunity to grab these opportunities. Want it, no? I-desire din sa imong heart. According to one of my favorite authors, Paulo Coelho, in his book The Alchemist, he said, want it, desire it, and the universe will conspire to make it happen. ang universe will align everything for your dreams to come true. The universe will set things for you to make it happen. Do not stop. No, do not stop. The theme for today's graduation is Generation of Unity. Unity, panaghiusa. So this graduation is not only about the ALS teachers. This graduation is not only about you completers, but it is also about your parents, your friends, our education officials, the stakeholders, kami na nakiglaban sa ALS sa una, inyong mga silingan, in one way or another, I know they contributed something for you to be here and graduate. So this is indeed a celebration of everyone's success. So palakpakan na itong pag-ulingon at mga parents na tanan-tanan na nipasar, naka, o nakahumanta sa alternative learning system. Before I forget, kamu dahil nga batch is a very special batch nga naman. Kaya kamu ang una na batch na nipasar yun sa A&E text. Wow! Diba? Let us give ourselves a very big round of applause. For the past 5 years, tama ba ko 5 years? 4 years? 5 years. Wala tayong A&E test. We had the PPA, Presentation Portfolio Assessment. Meaning to say, i-collect na nato ako mga work, ibuta sa portfolio, and you're done. But now it's different. You really took the A&E test o inyong ipasar. Ang uban nag-enhancement o nang kamutanan na ana din karon. Dili sayon inyong giagihan. Correct?
Yes.
Pero dili ni siya ang ending pa sa tanan. There is still more to go. There's still a bigger road to go through. And I will be with you in prayers. No? So once again, congratulations to everyone, to our ALS implementers. Congratulations. Thank you and God bless you.